Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Golem is a decentralized organization with a gathering of best programming engineers who foster programming and innovation arrangements universally. It makes a worldwide market for registering power, and the processing assets are open across the stage. It gives decentralized microservices and non-concurrent task execution. Adaptable apparatuses assist the designers with making and circulate, and furthermore adapt their product arrangements. This multitude of administrations are accessible for a charge relatively not as much as contenders. The Golem environment means to give programming advancement, AI, and logical estimation, which are the fate of web blockchain, accessible and available for everybody. Golem was presented in Switzerland in the year 2016 by the Golem plant. It was helped to establish by Julian Zawistowski, Andrzej Regulski, Piotr Jeniuk, Alexandra Skrzipczak. The organization set off in 2018, and the eco cost of GNT around then was 1 penny. At the point when the frenzy of digital money was controlled, Golem detonated from its cost levels. What's more, GNT displays an unexpected meeting to $1, which was astonishing and an overbought position for another digital money around then. The environment incorporates individual and expert software engineers, Golem Application Vault, requesters, and suppliers. Golem Undertaking's local coin is called GLM, which was relocated from GNT. Highlights of Golem, GLM. The adaptable open-source Golem stage permits distributed networks, which give awards to both application proprietors and clients to lease suppliers' assets. It is described by availability, open access, restriction-safe convention, and adaptability. The relentless biological system is a help for programming engineers. SDK assists with holding their inventiveness and grandstand ability to the world. The figuring power can be mulled over as the two foundations as a help and programming as a help. The installment frameworks are effectively open, modest, quick, and secure. The supplier establishment has been set up on the Ethereum mainnet, so when the supplier dispatches it, he will get a GLM token as a prize. On October 11, 2021, they reported the Beta 3 delivery, which upholds VPN and client utilization administration. The organization has presented Thorg, the principal mining application worked in Golem, which is hoping to give more significant level local area commitment. Golem directs a prize administration program often, which guarantees constructing a tremendous client base for the stage. The guide of the Golem has been partitioned into brass, clay, stone, iron. It has teamed up with speculative chemistry with a venture called Get to Know Life at Golem. Golem has confidence in the chances of Web3 and joined forces with Horde, which is a specialist in the game improvement field. They have been related with better advancements in the framework. Its gone on up degree and innovation principles gives programming designers to track and run with the product advancement world. GNT to GLM migration. Golem network token GNT is moved into GLM. GNT was the previous badge of the Golem network, which has begun to move into GLM toward the finish of 2020. GLM is an ERC20 token. Its huge exchange costs have applied the expense of movement exchanges in Ethereum in light of the fact that Golem's new exchange network is developed in Ethereum Layer 2. In any case, this relocation cycle is going on. The purpose for the relocation is that the coin sent off in 2016 ERC20 token was very little well known. ERC20 is presently uninhibitedly open in Layer 2, DeFi, and decentralized trades. Expanded acknowledgement, convenience, and adaptability of ERC20 have caused Golem to relocate into another coin. There are principally three choices for movement. First is relocating with the web use of Golem called MetaMask. The second is movement from the Golem application assuming that you have an extra Ethereum account. The third is bringing in Golem keys to MetaMask. Specialized analysis of Golem. The Golem cost today is around $0.3995, and it confronted a slight revision with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,119,492.79. The greatest cost as of now is enlisted at $0.437, and the base cost is $0.3985. The record-breaking exorbitant cost at which Golem GLM exchanged is $1.25, which was in 2018. An everything time low is noted at $0.008797, which was in 2016. Verifiable information and the specialized examination mirror that in the month-to-month outline from 2018 to 2022, Golem, GLM, cost has on a round-based development executing little-worth exchanges. The GLM cost rise has seen bullish toward the start of the year. From June 22, 2021, the cost of the Golem has started an upturn which wound up at a cost of $0.787 from 76 cents low. Then after a cost remedy on Golem tokens took support at $0.507 with a morning star development. Be that as it may, the upturn couldn't be supported, and GLM cost began moving sideways for the last not many exchanging meetings. Investigating the opposition and backing levels on the day-to-day outline, the following obstruction level is $0.490. In the event that GLM price can cross the close-term obstacle, it can test the obstruction level at $0.604. The quick help level is $0.348, and the significant help level is $0.272. Dread and voracity record is 45. Significant specialized pointers for momentary cost expectations on the everyday outline information. Relative Strength Index, RSI, is 35.13. MACD line is underneath the signal line. The cost of Golem is under 20 EMA, 50 EMA and 200 EMA. In light of specialized examination and GLM cost expectation, despite the fact that the ongoing cost of Golem cryptographic money is respectably negative, the high gamble of GLM coin doesn't give legitimate sign or affirmation on cost change. Financial backers and merchants can stand by to affirm the pattern over the opposition level prior to making a transient speculation. In view of the close-term Golem figure, it is normal to exchange sideways for a brief time frame in the event that no news or digital currency market bullishness is supported. Golem price predictions, 2022 to 2026. Golem cost expectations for the future show that a beneficial venture gives a decent revisitation of the long haul. Estimates for a considerable length of time show Golem GLM be valued at 77 cents, which is multiple times productive than its ongoing worth. According to specialists' gauges, put resources into Duncan Hang Time at changes in costs. The cost-volume pattern of the drawn-out cost diagram from 2018 to 2021 appears to be intriguing. Note the critical cost